Friends, you've probably seen ordinary park slides, but today I will show you some of the strangest slides on Earth. Built on a mountain peak nearly 3,600 feet above sea level, this ride is definitely not for the faint-hearted. When you slide down through this tube, you'll feel like you're rushing downward at the speed of light. Now imagine, what if there was a massive water slide right on the deck of a giant ship moving through the ocean? This boomerang-style slide on the Royal Caribbean ship will launch you into zero gravity in the blink of an eye. Leaving the ship behind, let's head over to the 70th floor of a 1,008-foot-tall skyscraper in Los Angeles. Though it takes only 4 seconds to slide down this all-glass structure, it will completely take your breath away. This ride in the Bahamas starts from the peak of an ancient temple structure, plunging straight down. The most terrifying part? This slide takes you directly through an underwater tunnel filled with live sharks. And finally, look at this bizarre water park built right inside an actual Boeing 747 airplane. Built right along the cliffside, this track has no brakes. You plunge down at intense speeds purely driven by gravity. Now let's head to Brazil, home to one of the tallest water slides in the world, Insano! While Disney's Summit Plummet looks exactly like a snowy mountain, it is actually a massive water drop.
How would you feel if you were made to slide right along the edges of a boiling volcano?
This slide is known as the Black Hole. Its bizarre internal neon light will transport you to an unreal dimension.
And for those who love dinosaurs, there is this terrifying ride, built entirely around a Jurassic Park theme.
To go down this slide, you must stand upright inside a capsule. The floor will suddenly drop beneath your feet.
In this colossal funnel slide, you will be violently whipped back and forth on a plastic raft.
This Lost City water park in the Bahamas feels like exploring the ruins of a long-lost ancient civilization. Not once, not twice, this slide will launch you into mid-air 3 consecutive times before hitting the pool. While it's below freezing outside, this indoor water park inside a mega mall is filled entirely with heated pools.
And at night, when these rides light up with neon colors, their beauty instantly doubles.
This ride spins you around like a top inside a giant bowl before dropping you straight into a dark abyss. This is no ordinary slide. Using magnetic technology, this ride defies gravity by shooting you straight uphill. Even in the middle of Dubai's scorching desert, they have built an oasis of ice-cold, eye-popping water rides. Sliding through the shark tunnel, it feels as though a massive predatory shark is brushing right past your skin. Carved directly into a natural cliffside, this slide has no pool at the end. It hurls you straight into a deep lake. For sharing ultimate thrills with your friends, nothing beats the chaos of this extreme river rafting slide. Hidden in the Malaysian jungle, this is the world's longest water slide, taking a full 4 minutes just to complete. This strange mixture of pure terror and absolute joy is exactly what keeps people coming back for more. For more jaw-dropping and bizarre videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. See you in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and thank you.